Here is Airfryer Krachel, Moroccan sweet sesame buns. This recipe makes 12 servings and takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes to prepare. Ingredients list: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm whole milk, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of orange blossom water, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of anise seeds, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a small bowl combine 1 cup warm whole milk, 2 teaspoons active dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. Stir and let sit until frothy, 5 to 10 minutes. In a large bowl whisk together 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon fine salt, and 1 teaspoon anise seeds. Make a well in the center and add the yeast mixture, 4 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons orange blossom water. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover with a clean towel, and let rise until doubled, about 1 hour. Punch down the dough and divide into 12 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a tight ball. Flatten each ball slightly and place on a plate. Beat one of the remaining eggs with 1 tablespoon water to make an egg wash. Brush each bun with the egg wash and sprinkle 2 tablespoons toasted sesame seeds evenly, pressing gently so they stick. Preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Work in batches and place 3 or 4 buns in the air fryer basket with space between them. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until golden, turning the basket gently at the halfway mark at 4 minutes. Carefully remove the buns to a wire rack and let cool for 5 to 10 minutes. If you like a glossy finish, brush the warm buns with a little of the remaining melted butter. Serve the krachel warm. This completes the recipe. Enjoy your krachel. If you enjoyed this Moroccan krachel recipe, like the video, subscribe for more recipes, and hit the bell to get notifications.